Hi guys, I wanted to show you this journal that I put together for my sister-in-law. I used Artymaze's Radiant Poppies kit, and the cover is just pages I enlarged and covered a 9 by 12 envelope, and I like the way it turned out. I think I'm done with the cover, but I might add a piece of trim or something, I'm not sure. I was thinking about painting around the edges a little bit, maybe adding a little bit of gold, but I don't have any gold paint, so we'll see. But for now, I don't really think it needs anything. The papers are gorgeous, so anyway, this, like I said, this is from Artymaze's Radiant Poppies. It's a beautiful kit. I used this for the inside lining, and it came with the pockets. I had a little bit of trim here, and the tags are all part of it. Little lace trim. This is one of the pockets. This is so cute. It has just a little seed packet with a journaling card inside, and I just tucked it over the top with a little piece of my snippet. I did use some tags. It's just a piece of lace and some cheesecloth, another piece of lace, a little scrap of ribbon, and I made up about 20 of these, and I think this is my last one. I'm going to have to make a new batch because I just love those. The tabs are all in the kit, so I put tabs on the coffee dyed paper. Just so pretty. And my sister-in-law likes orange. This is kind of a reddish orange, but I think she'll like it. This is one of the envelopes that came with the kit, and I just used this side for a little tuck for the tag. And on this side, this is just some playing cards that I found at Tuesday morning, and they happen to have what looks like poppies. So I think it was a bridge set. So pretty. And more lace, another tab. This is the paper that's on the front. And another pocket with the tag. Journal. We always call this green bar. And then I just took a couple of the banners and stapled those here and put a piece of lace and some bling on top. More crochet trim. And the tab. Some of these coffee dyed papers turned out really cool. And another piece of the kit. I took an extra piece of paper. Actually, it was I was printing out the cover, and my printer stopped working. I guess it lost a Wi-Fi signal, and printed out just enough that I could make a couple of these little corner pockets. So this is actually a little journal spot. These came in the kit, and just tuck those in there. These are separate cards, but I left them together and made a little booklet. And another one I did the same thing, just for more writing spots, and a couple of little tickets that came with the kit on a piece of sheet music. Here's a little tag that came with the kit. I just put a little, what do you call it, eyelash trim and a little flower bling here. Put it on a ticket, a smaller ticket. And these are just some little cards that come in a box. I got them off of Amazon. I want to say they were like $4, and there's 52 cards that come in different themes. This one's blessings, but it's just a cute little box, a bunch of cards inside, and there's a whole bunch of themes. I have blessings of grace, and then promises from God for women. But yeah, just a lot of fun to tuck inside. And then Another one of this eyelash stuff gets everywhere. Another one of the pages from the kit, or tab. I think this is my favorite page. I've used it multiple times in here. The centerpiece here is a page from a book. It's called The Country Flowers of a Victorian Lady by Fanny Robinson, and I got it on Amazon for like $2 from a third-party vendor. And so I put two pieces together because I wanted the pictures of the poppy. Of course, it kind of got in the middle, but I also wanted this for the center. So I just made pockets, and then I added some trim to index card. And I think that made a good center. Looks like a seed advertisement. Another tab. Another one of those little cards, grace cards with the ticket. Excuse me. More of these little journaling cards, booklets with the tickets. I'm glad I was able to use that piece that printed out. It just stopped 2/3 of the way down the page. Another piece from the kit, more coffee dye, paper. Yeah, I left it very basic because I don't know, she's not really foo-foo la-la kind of person, even though I am, so I had to add the bling and the lace everywhere. But I wanted her to be able to use this and, you know, write in it and make it her own. So I didn't go over the top with the lace and bling, so I just really love the way that looks. Anyway, here's another pocket with a tag. This is the back of the journal as well, too. That same page, I just love those. They're so pretty. Another tab. And then here's another envelope that I just tucked over to hold the tag. And stuck another poppy card. Gave her the jokers. So yeah, this was a lot of fun and pretty quick to put together. And yeah, so I hope she likes it. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks for tuning into my channel, and I'll see you next time.